Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Techgig Webinar series, our endeavor to impart techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Open-Source Multimedia Framework, FFmpeg. Our guest speaker today is Mr. Apoorv Sangal, Technical Manager, ERS-OEM-CE Mobility at HCL Technologies. Apoorv has 9 years of industry experience in the embedded system domain. He has extensive experience in board bring-up, firmware development, bootloader customization and porting the Linux OS, device drivers, multimedia framework, and user application development in embedded systems. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Mr. Apoorv. No voice from your end. Can you listen to me?
Yeah, hi, I've joined.
Hello? Yeah, Apoorv. Can you hear
Yeah,
me?
I've joined.
Okay,
Yeah, I can hear you.
so you can start.
So should I go through the agenda once again or?
Yeah, you have to start it all together because we couldn't listen to you at all.
Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to this webinar on Open Source Multimedia Framework, FFmpeg. Agenda for today is overview of open source multimedia framework. In this, I'll talk about what is multimedia framework and why it is required. I'll also talk on the advantages of open source. The second topic will be overview of FFmpeg. I'll give an introduction to FFmpeg, various command line tools and libraries that it has to offer, how FFmpeg can be compiled on a Linux operating system, what are the different use cases of FFmpeg. The third topic in today's agenda is integration of hardware codecs in FFmpeg. In this, I will present different ways of leveraging the hardware codec using FFmpeg. I'll talk about some typical issues that developers face while integrating hardware codecs into FFmpeg. The last topic for today is going to be advantages of using hardware codecs over software codecs. In this, I'll be presenting some examples of usage of hardware codecs that has resulted in better CPU utilization and better performance while doing playback and transcode through FFmpeg.